Good morning, my name is Harissa Elvit.
And I'm Jehanna Haron.
For today's video, we will tackle about waterfall model. The waterfall model is a linear and sequential software development approach where each phase must be completed before the next phase begins. The typical phases include number 1, requirements analysis, 2, system design, 3, implementation, 3, integration and testing, 5, development, 6, maintenance. Okay, we'll tackle about strength of the waterfall, which one's the clear structure, second, predictability, the third one, good for large project, and the last one, easier to manage. Let's proceed to weakness of the water model. Include inflexibility, slow adoption to changes. The third one, late testing. Fourth is non-ideal for uncertain.
So, Agile model is an iterative and flexible approach where development is divided into small increments called sprints. Agile follows principles from the Agile Manifesto, emphasizing collaboration, customer feedback, and adaptive planning. Key Agile methodologies: Scrum, Kanban, and extreme programming. The strength of the Agile model is flexibility, faster delivery, customer collaboration, early bug detection, better risk management. Weaknesses of the Agile model is requires close collaboration, difficult to predict costs and time, and not ideal for large-scale projects without clear structure and dependency on skilled teams.
So let's proceed to comparison table, which is waterfall versus agile. Future waterfall model, agile model approach, sequential and structured, iterative and flexible. Flexibility low, high. Customer minimal, mainly at home, continuous feedback and involvement. Start collaboration. Change difficult and costly, easily adaptable. Project size, work best for large, ideal for small to medium. Sustainability will define project size involving project. Time to market, lower faster. Testing phase done after development. Continuous throughout is complete development. Risk management, high risk due to late, lower risk to frequent. Stage testing iteration.
So the conclusion is, use waterfall if the project has well-defined requirements, minimal expected changes, and clear timelines. Example given, government or regulatory projects. Use Agile if the project requires continuous updates, user feedback, and rapid delivery of working features. Example given are mobile app development, startups, or software with evolving requirements. That's all.
Thank you.